Great news! TrashFlow's offsite backups are now included in your service contract. Data loss can be scary, but it doesn't have to bring your operation to a halt. Today, I'll walk you through TrashFlow's updated backup system to protect your business information. We'll cover two tools, the Backup and Restore window for managing your backups, and the Offsite Backup application for scheduling automatic backups. Let me show you how it works and how it keeps your business data safe. Let's start by navigating to System, and then selecting Backup and Restore. This is your main workspace for managing backups. It's what you'll use most often. On the left is your backup history, which lists all of your backups of your TrashFlow database. In the center are your backup options. Refresh Backup List refreshes your backup history to show the most recent information. View Backup opens a read-only snapshot of a past backup. This is perfect for researching past data without touching your live database. You'll see a red warning banner at the top to remind you it's view only. Download Backup saves a copy of a cloud backup to your local device. Create Local Backup creates a backup saved locally on your device. Pro tip: make a local backup or safety backup before major operations. These manual checkpoints give you extra peace of mind. Make Safety Backup is a quick way to save your current data before making large changes. Restore Backup to Cloud restores a previously saved backup file to your live data. Any changes made since the backup was created will be lost. Please use caution and call TrashFlow Tech Support at 800-708-8642 if you need to use this function. Restore Local Backup restores a backup file from your computer, overwriting your live data. Please contact TrashFlow Tech Support before using this function. Now let's look at the Offsite Backup application. This is a separate software that installs alongside TrashFlow and acts as your set-it-and-forget-it backup scheduler. To open it, navigate to your Windows search bar and type Offsite Backup. Select the application called Offsite Backup. If you do not see it, reach out to tech support for help. The Offsite Backup window shows your backup history on the left, the same list you see in the Backup and Restore window. In the center are your scheduling options. Backup to Cloud OSBU creates an immediate backup of your current TrashFlow data on TrashFlow's Cloud OSBU server. Set up automatic backups allows you to enable and schedule when automatic backups run. At the bottom center, you can see when your next backup is scheduled. Once you configure Offsite Backup, you won't need to open it often. It works quietly in the background. You cannot schedule backups through the Backup and Restore window. Scheduling only happens here in the Offsite Backup application. If you have a cloud database, great news! Your TrashFlow database backs up automatically every night. TrashFlow servers automatically snapshot your database whether your computer is on or off, or whether anyone is working or not. Backups run every night automatically. You don't pick the time or days. Think of it as one less thing to worry about. Your backups are stored on TrashFlow's servers, protected from hardware failures, fires, or ransomware. If you have a local database and an active service contract, you can set up automatic backups using the Offsite Backup application. If you do not have an active service contract and attempt to schedule automatic backups, you will be notified that automatic backups are unavailable. But there's good news. Local backups are an option for everyone, even without a service contract. You can create these manually whenever you need them. Here's a pro tip. Always make a safety backup before major operations. These manual checkpoints complement your automatic nightly backups and give you extra peace of mind. When in doubt about restoring a backup, give us a call at 800-708-8642. Our team will help you determine whether restoration is necessary and what you may lose if you proceed. And there you have it. The Backup and Restore window is where you'll manage and view your backups day to day, while the Offsite backup application handles scheduling in the background. Whether you have automatic cloud backups or create local backups manually, you now have everything you need to protect and restore your data. Have questions? We're here to help at 800-708-8642. Trashflow, saving haulers time since 1989.